KK, sorry for visiting without an appointment, but it's important that I met you.
Your expression tells me that it's an emergency. Sit down. Huh?
Nikhil had sent you some pictures of Sudhanshu and Goel. About that, I
What
wanted...
about those photos? Why are you both still after them? Forget about Sudhanshu.
That mail was sent to the studio from the IP address of Reddy Corporation.
What do you mean?
So this means that the person who sent these photos works in our office.
Does Mikhail have an informer in my office?
There is somebody who's keeping an eye on us.
Who is it? Did you find out anything?
We have tracked the IP address through which the mail was sent.
Whose is it?
Yours.
That is not possible. My computer and the network system is specially designed. Nobody can hack it.
KK, it has been hacked. And it has been done by an insider.
He will not be spared. This information should not be leaked. That my IP address has been hacked. Both of you should be extra careful.
I'm so sorry. You had to wait yesterday because of me. You had left by the time I reached.
Actually, I don't know what happened last night.
It's okay. I know how difficult it becomes to wait alone. It's good that you left.
Anyway, let's forget all this. Let's talk about the future.
Great. I'm interested in the future too. So tell me, what surprise have you planned in return for my surprise?
Vedant, I like to talk to the point. We have not spent a lot of time together, but based on the time that we have spent, I think that you're a very good person and you want to keep me happy. So, Vedant, I was wondering that...
Hey, come here. What happened? Where are you lost? Should I wipe it? Are you all right? Well, you were saying something. Anushka, don't be stressed. If you want more time, please take it. But you don't worry. I don't like it when you worry. And you can tell me if you have somebody else in your life. It's okay. I don't have any problem.
Siddhant, you were supposed to talk to Dad, right? Vedant, wait! I don't want more time to think. The more I think, the more it will become complicated for me. And I have to take this decision today. I know that you can do anything to keep me happy. And that is sufficient for me. Vedant, I'm ready to marry you.
Thank you so much, Anushka. Even I promise you that I'll always keep you happy. Siddhant! Siddhant!
Who is it?
It's me, Vedant.
Vedant. What are you doing here?
Come out, pal. Come out quickly. Get ready. I have to go somewhere with you.
But what's the matter? Is everything alright?
You asked too many questions. Let's go. Thank you so much. Hey, how can I forget you? I'll let you know once the date is fixed.
Hey, tell me now at least. Why are you building up the suspense? Where are you taking me?
Anushka has said yes to me.
Well, what do I say?
Hey, don't say anything, just congratulate me.
Of course. Congratulations.
Thank you. This was the only thing missing in my life. I have started receiving congratulatory messages from the party too. The thing is, the chances of progressing increases if you are a family man in our party. And it creates a clean image in the eyes of the public too. On the other hand, we have Mr. KK Reddy's money and power too. Now just wait and watch how I rise in my career.
Sister-in-law, it sounds like a wedding band, right?
Right.
Who's playing it near our house?
Come, I'll introduce you to my parents. My dad, Rajneesh Srivastav, and my mom, Debina Srivastav. Dad, this is Siddhant.
Oh, so he is Siddhant. Sir, he's not listening. He said that he'll continue to play.
Shall we go and see?
Come on.
Let's go.
What's going on over here? What is the occasion?
Sir, it's a tradition in our family. We celebrate when a marriage alliance is fixed. And they are playing drums because the bride-to-be likes surprises.
When my son gave me the good news, I wanted to come here in person.
Ha ha ha. I'm glad that you're here.
So all these days, you were in love with Anushka. You should have told me at least. And you, Anushka, you didn't tell me as well. But be careful. Now I am from the groom's family. The important thing is that I'm very happy.
But Anu, this is I mean, when did this happen?
Yes, Anu. You decided to get married and we never realized.
You can save all the questions for when we go inside, okay? Come.
So hold on. I want to say something. Siddhant! Hey, what are you doing over there? Come here. I wanted to say this auspicious occasion wouldn't have been possible without Siddhant's help. If Siddhant hadn't helped me in understanding Anushka, about her likes and dislikes and her allergy, I don't think that Anushka would have accepted my proposal.
Oh my God!
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू